Shana Tova. I'd like to wish a happy and healthy new year to all of our friends, both here in Israel and in Schwartz, in America and beyond. We have started an unprecedented year, known in Hebrew as Taf Shin Pei Aleph, a year which 30 years ago, the Lubavitcher Rabbi, Zecher Tzadok Levracha, predicted would be a year of transformation and challenge. That was because the word Pei Aleph or Aleph Pei spells either Af, which could mean anger, disease. And notice we've been covering our Af, which also means our nose, with these masks in this tremendously challenging previous year of Taf Shin Pei. But now this year can be either Af or backwards, turned inside out to another connotation, which means Af or increase or spreading, or some sort of continued development. That is our goal in all our work here in Israel, with our Kehila that met through Yom Narayim right here in our newly developing shul, through our counseling center known as the Jewish Family Wellness Center, where we use the highest known evidence-based practices to help families stay together, to overcome difficulties such as addictions, mental health issues, and many, many other problems with parenting, children, abuse, all sorts of challenging problems that unfortunately have afflicted the Jewish community. As we've been afflicted by the health issues of Corona, there are also other issues that have been exacerbated, stress and anxiety that has been caused, loss of parnas, etc. We are here on the front lines in Eretz Yisrael, helping families, especially Olim, deal with these challenges in a meaningful way, and not only to survive, but to thrive and be resilient in the face of these challenges. We hope that you will join our work here in Israel, which is three-pronged. One, we're promoting physical health in terms of coaching and helping people reclaim their health by conquering stress, by eating properly, by exercising, by speaking to the point of living a healthy life that serves Hashem, by taking care of ourselves to give us energy to serve others. We are working on helping people financially and in their relationships. And also through the third part, we're teaching a lot of Torah, and we're giving a lot of chizuk. We're giving drashos, shiurim, chavrusot, online learning that will give people the strength, energy, and resilience necessary to face the challenges and opportunities of this year ahead. We're therefore launching an ambitious goal of a $180,000 campaign to promote AF and expand our opportunities to help others here in Eretz Yisrael, whether it's in a community setting, davening, learning, chavrusas, counseling, on the air, on the internet, whichever way people need help, and we help ourselves by helping others. We have a dream that the Torah community can take root, the Anglo-Torah community can take root here in Israel, and continue to pave the way for many others to join us, as the challenges of this and opportunities of this unusual year, and the politics and the government change and the societal change and the health challenges of the world and anti-Semitism and shifts of seismic proportions in society, perhaps will encourage many people to revisit the concept of visiting, not only visiting Eretz Yisrael, but coming here and creating beautiful and thriving Torah families. Join us in our work. It's a multiple of high, $180,000. That's our annual budget. We have sponsors that are going to match us dollar for dollar. Please help. And to learn more about this incredible year, Tashim Pei Aleph, stay tuned, and I'll be sending you my special broadcast today, Tzom Gedalia, on the Fast of Gedalia, that will explain the incredible configuration of events, and also of Torah, hidden Torah, and revealed Torah sources about what is so special about this year and how the world is going to change. Please continue to change. Please tune in and please join us. Thank you and shalom.